Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now we're taking the burger pizza to the next level with variations and pro tips you won't want to miss. Layering your pizza, from secret sauce base to ultimate cheese blend. Assembly is straightforward, but the order of operations matters. This is where you bring the burger flavor home. Follow these simple layering steps. Sauce base. Spread your creamy, tangy special sauce evenly across the crust. Use a spoon or spatula, leaving a small border for the crust. Meat layer. Evenly distribute the cooked, seasoned and drained ground beef over the sauce. Cheese combo. For the ultimate flavor and stretch, use a cheese blend. Mozzarella provides the classic melt, but mix it with a handful of sharp cheddar or some shredded American cheese for that distinct, savory burger taste. Optional extras. If using, sprinkle on bacon bits or thinly sliced raw onions now. Bake according to your crust instructions, usually around 10 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, until the cheese is bubbly and the crust is golden brown. Component. Purpose. Recommended type/preparation. Crust. Structural support. Thick crust, pre-made dough. Sauce. Burger flavor base. Tangy special sauce, ketchup, mayo, relish. Meat. Savory protein. Ground beef, heavily seasoned, drained. Cheese. Melting and texture. Mozzarella mixed with cheddar or American. Popular burger pizza themes that will blow your mind. Once you master the basic burger pizza recipe, you can easily adapt it to mimic your favorite burger joint orders. These variations allow you to explore different flavor profiles and textures. Amazing variations, the classic bacon cheeseburger pizza style. If there is one logical upgrade to the basic recipe, it is the bacon cheeseburger style. This variation adds smokiness and crunch, dramatically enhancing the overall flavor. To create the bacon cheeseburger pizza, introduce more smokiness. Swirl a thin layer of barbecue sauce over the special sauce base before adding the meat. Bacon time. Cook bacon until very crisp, then crumble it generously over the ground beef layer before adding the cheese. Caramelized onions. Instead of fresh, raw onions, fold sweet, caramelized onions into the ground beef mix. Their deep, savory sweetness works perfectly with the bacon and barbecue notes. This variation feels richer and more indulgent than the original. The mixture of tangy sauce, sweet onions, and crisp bacon is simply fantastic. Pickles on pizza? Adding crunch and tangy flavor. Pickles are often the most controversial part of this dish. A true burger needs dill pickles to provide that defining sour tang and crunch that cuts through the fat. However, subjecting sliced pickles to oven heat results in a mushy, soft texture that often detracts from the pizza. The solution is simple. Do not bake the pickles. Bake the pizza completely without them. Once the pizza is fresh from the oven and sitting on the cooling rack, immediately layer thin slices of cold, crisp dill pickles across the top. The residual heat from the pizza will warm them slightly, but they maintain their crucial crunch. This technique delivers the authentic pickle flavor without sacrificing texture, making the burger pizza taste truly complete. The combination of the warm, savory pizza and the cool, tangy pickles is one of the best parts of this unconventional dish. Don't knock it until you try it. The pickle is essential for the full burger pizza experience. The burger pizza successfully eliminates the need to choose between two beloved comfort foods. By using a tangy secret sauce, pre-cooking and draining the seasoned ground beef, and choosing a sturdy crust, you can make a surprisingly professional quality mashup right at home. The ease of the steps allows anyone to create this fun meal. Start with the classic recipe, then try adding bacon, barbecue swirls, or those essential post-bake pickles. Get creative with your favorite toppings and redefine your dinner options. The journey to the ultimate burger pizza begins now, and you won't regret taking the first bite. That concludes part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.